Hey everybody, this is Christian Gibbons, your favorite DMV realtor. Today we are at a special property located in Herndon, Virginia, listed at $695,000. Welcome to our new listing. Come on in, you guys. We are in this 2/2 condo built by Stanley Martin, and we're gonna start things off by checking out this gorgeous kitchen. Stanley Martin is known for their affordable luxury builds, and I think they do an excellent job of sold a couple of these homes, and they're very unique. One, we have these nice quartz countertops, which are just classic and very clean, elegant. They always do the nice, classic, clean shaker cabinets and your stainless steel package, of course. Backsplash is nice oversized subway tile, which is a staple if you ask me. This kitchen is going to age extremely well. Here off the kitchen, you have your dining area, and this dining area, as you can see, is very spacious. As a matter of fact, I just want you guys to look at how grand this entire level is. We are in a little bit above 2,300 square feet of living space total in this condo. So it really lives like a detached home. Personally, this place is almost as big as my detached home. So that says a lot. All right, we also have covered terrace, the fan, off of your dining room, you have an office. Gets plenty of sunlight, absolutely beautiful place to come work. People often talk about these doors. Lets in the light, right? Also lets you see what your family's doing while you're working. Perfect way to stay connected. And here is your large walk-in pantry. This place has plenty of storage. You will not lack storage anywhere in this home. All right, as you guys come back through your kitchen, take note of these beautiful LVP floors. Here is our great room. This is a large, oversized sofa, as you can see. So you have so much space in this home. I'm not even kidding when I say that. Here is your half bathroom. And we have 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms to check out. Let's go. Closet number 1 before we get into the primary bedroom. Here is your primary bedroom with its own ensuite plus a massive walk-in closet. Lots of natural sunlight. It's just very clean and elegant in here. Let me know what you guys think about this closet. Personally, this is a massive closet. This is more than I'll ever need for just my stuff, but this is perfect if you have to share with a loved one, or if you're by yourself and you just have a lot of clothes. Here is your ensuite bathroom with 2 sinks, a nice shower that's been tiled all the way up to the ceiling. Water closet here, and vanity number 2. All right, you guys, come back in through your nice wide hallway, and we're gonna make a stop into your secondary bathroom. I love that Stanley tiles their showers all the way up to the ceiling. I know some high-end builders that don't even do that naturally, but they do it in most of their homes. Here is bedroom number 2. Again, continue on the clean, elegant, light-filled theme. Closet here for linens, and bedroom number 3. And this bedroom actually has a walk-in closet. All right, and if that wasn't enough, you also get these very beautiful washer and dryers, which the sellers are leaving generously because I don't think I'll be leaving these. All right, you guys, let's go chat downstairs. All right, everybody, please let me know what you guys think about this home in the comments. If this is your first time to the channel, I appreciate you coming. Please hit that subscribe button. If you're returning, as always, like, comment, and share your favorite thing about this home. And if you're looking to buy, sell, or invest in the DMV area, my name is Christian Gibbons. I'm your favorite DMV Realtor. Grace and peace.